Okay, you guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're watching this, this is part 2 to this video, and today I'm going to be putting on my wig with you guys, and then I'm also going to be doing my makeup with you guys. I've been getting a lot of questions about my makeup and asking me to do it on camera, so I'm gonna do that with you guys. But first, let's put on the wig. And if you did not see the first video of me showing you how I customized and altered the color of this wig and turned it more ashy, then click the video in the description box or in the eye link up here, which on every side, and then come back to this one and let's install her. Okay, so if you are seeing this video for the first time and not the video of me toning the hair, this hair is from I Show Hair. This is their deep wave wig. It is 26 inches and it is a frontal. So it came like a warm gold orangey-ish honey blonde, and I toned it to this ashy honey blonde. And if you want to see that, I will have the video down below in the description box for you guys. Okay, so we're going to keep this video simple and quick, and we're going to use my Eben, active, to install this bomb wig. Okay, so basically all you need is your Eben hairspray and a blow dryer and you're good to go. So let's get that and apply this wig. So I'm gonna take the Eben active and I'm gonna just spray my stocking cap and a little bit on my skin, and then when it's on there, I'm just gonna place the lace down where I want it to sit, and I'm gonna blow dry it on warm. And I do this per section, so it's 3 sections, the 2 sides and the top of my head. I like to do it in sections because Eben is a runny consistency, but it holds really good. So this is what you see in me now. This is sped up, so when you see me blow drying it, it literally takes me about maybe 2 minutes to blow dry it down to make it dry. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just cut off the excessive lace. I'm cutting off the ear tab so my ears could be free. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the scissors, make a slit in the middle, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and use my razor and cut the excessive lace off. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl my baby hairs backwards, and then I like to use my spritz and an edge brush to lay them down and, you know, get ready to mold my hairline. And to have a nice looking hairline, I like to take my hot comb and just press everything backwards just to make sure that there's no flyaways in the front, just to give it a somewhat of a neat appearance. Not too neat, but somewhat neat. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead with the same even spray, and I'm going to spray my hairline. And then I'm going to take my elastic band, and I am going to proceed to use the elastic band to melt it down. Okay, you guys, so let's breeze through this makeup. I have the most basic makeup routine ever, and I typically usually do the same thing unless it's a special occasion and I'm feeling it. You feel me? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this off. Okay, that's melted down. She's melted on down. I don't want it to get in the way of me doing my brows. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Laura Mercier and my, where's she at? My LA Girls Pro Prep mattifying primer, and I'm going to put that on my eyebrows. So did you know I started my YouTube channel doing makeup a long time ago? I think my YouTube channel's from 2012. You guys, I've had my channel for a long time. I've never been like super consistent when posting until I started my business, and that was probably like maybe 5-6 years ago. And so I got consistent with it, and I started posting on a regular basis. And yeah, I started with makeup. One of my viral videos was the LA Girls liquid matte lipstick. Y'all remember those? I did a video on those and it went viral. I remember that. But yeah, that's what really got my YouTube channel booming and jumping. So yeah, if you didn't know. So for my eyebrows, I love to use my MAC eyebrow pencil. This is in the color Stud. This is the darkest color that they carry. I like dark eyebrows no matter what hair color I wear. I'm going to have some dark eyebrows. This is a dark brown. This is not a black, okay? I've been looking for a dupe to this, but there's nothing that has been like the same consistency and smooth as this. I've tried the NYX pencil. It comes close, but it's still more chalky and it's not as smooth. So I love this. So for concealer, I love to use my Tarte Shape Tape in Deep Sand, and I'll just use a straight angle brush from Morphe. Girl, I don't know what number this is. It don't rubbed off, so I can't even tell you, but this is just a straight flat brush. And I just like to clean under, not my brows, not over my brows, because I feel like when I clean over my brows, it's too neat and I don't like that. So now that my brows, they're not done, I finish them at the end of my makeup routine. I like to do my brows first because I find when I put foundation on first, it goes gray. Okay, so I'm gonna take the same primer and the same powder, setting powder, and I'm gonna prime my oily spots. So I'm very oily on my forehead, my cheeks, my chin, nose. So I like to prime and then set my primer with translucent powder. So once my powder is on, I take my beauty blender, and my foundation that I like to use on a daily basis that is not expensive is my LA Girls Pro Prep Pro Coverage in high definition, and I'm in the shade Coffee. Now this comes off looking red. I don't know why it looks so red, but usually it's not this color, but maybe it's where I've been getting my foundation from, the beauty supply. Man, I don't know, but once I put it on and blend it out and add my concealer and contour, everything evens out. All right, so once foundation is on, see, it kind of looks a little bit red, but it's okay. This is my Shark Shape Tape in Deep Sand, and then I go in, and this is Tan Deep Sand. So Deep Sand and then Tan Deep Sand, and then I like to contour with Bobbi Brown foundation stick and Espresso. So once everything is blended out, I'm gonna take my setting powder and set everything. Put some brown eyeshadow on my eyes, add my lashes with When it comes to my makeup, I use a lot of powders because I'm very oily, but it's not gonna look cakey or powdery at the end. So this is my complexion palette. It's dirty, okay, it's okay. But unfortunately, I do use powders from LA Girls, and I do use powders from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which they discontinued their contour powders, and I really don't understand why. So I'm not gonna tell you the shades of the Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I will tell you the shades of the LA Girl foundation, powders that I use. So for my all over complexion, I use Chestnut, and to highlight under my eyes, I use True Bronze, and it's another one in here, Nude Beige. So you're gonna see me do that. And unfortunately, Anastasia just, like, I don't like her set contour palette because it doesn't work for me. And when she had the different contour pans that you could order separately, I'm just so sad. So let's do that. So I'm contouring with ABH contour powders. Like I said, that they discontinued the ones that I actually like, so I definitely have to find new ones. And I take that same contour colors and I put it on my eyelids, just to give it some dimension, because like I don't always like to wear eyeshadow because I wear thick lashes. When I'm doing eyeshadow looks, I don't typically wear huge eyelashes. Okay, so I'm gonna use my my liner, my glue liner, and then I don't actually push my eyelashes in until I'm ready to make sure that they are sitting how they're supposed to sit. And you see I took it off, and now I'm about to fix it, and then once it's ready, I'm gonna just push it all the way on my eyelid. Yeah, and I'm wearing 2 pairs of lashes. You can find that on my actual website. I get asked that a lot. You guys can find my eyelashes on my website for sale there. Okay, and so now I'm gonna take my LA Girls Pro Coverage face powders in Chestnut, and I'm gonna buff that all over my face, and then I'm gonna take those 2 shades and then put them under my eyes for under eye highlight. Now it looks a bit scary and a little bit chalky right now, but please believe me, after I do my setting spray, well, not Fix Plus isn't a setting spray, but after I do Fix Plus, it's going to go and look like skin-like. Okay, so see right here, I'm spraying it down, and once it's dry, it's going to look good. So I like to line my lips with Chestnut from MAC, and then Bear from the crayon case, and then basically fill in my eyebrows. So this is the final touches to my eyebrows. I like to make them dark. I'm gonna add my ABH highlighter in So Hollywood, and then I use my mascara for my bottom lashes, and I also put them on my eyebrows, and that is it. Okay, you guys, and that's it. That's the end of my makeup tutorial. I'll keep it real simple. I do use high-end and low-end products, and that's about it. It's super simple. But let's get into this hair. She is cute, and I'm so glad that I decided to tone her, because the color that she was prior was like a bit orangey-ish, and now she's a more of an ashy honey blonde, and I absolutely adore it. Okay, so the dress that I am wearing is from Fashion Nova. I switched into it so I could do some cute pictures after the end of this. But yeah, so I'm gonna give you guys the in shots of what my wig is looking like. I'm gonna put some earrings on. Yes, she's cute. Okay, give some in shots of what my wig is looking like. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section, okay? And like always, I will be down there and I will be answering and liking you guys' comments. Thank you guys for all the support that you guys been giving me. We are almost at 100K. We almost there. And like I said in my previous video, once we hit 100K, get me there and I will give a bomb giveaway. I will do a bomb giveaway. Y'all will love it. Just get me there. Let's get that plaque. I want that plaque. Okay. All right. So again, if you didn't see me toning this wig and you would like to, I will leave the video down below in the description box, or you can just go on my channel. It should be on there and up, ready for you guys to view. All right. And until next time, bye, best friends.